Hello there. In this video, I will guide you through the essential steps to backup and restore settings for various programs in Windows. Whether you are upgrading your system or simply want to ensure your configuration are safe, this guide will provide you with the necessary technique to secure your program settings effectively. There is a free program called Clone app that allows you to easily backup configuration files in program directories and the registry for many popular Windows programs. It supports a large number of programs, including many versions of Microsoft Office, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Photoshop, Display Fusion, Evernote, Notepad++, Fullbar 2000, LibreOffice, MusicBee, PodPlayer, TeamViewer, and many more. I'll show you how to use the Clone app to backup and restore program settings, using the Notepad++ program as an example. Make sure any program you want to backup are closed before you begin. Clone app uses plugin to add ports for programs it will backup in Windows. As of this, it includes 249 plugins for different programs, so chances are it can backup a lot of programs you use. To backup settings in Programs folder and the registry, download the portable version of the Clone app from the description section of this video and extract the zip archive file into a folder. To fully backup program settings, Clone app must be run as an administrator. To do that, right-click on the cloneapp.exe file and select Run as Administrator from the pop-up menu. Give Clone app permission to make changes to your PC when asked. By default, Clone app backup program and registry setting to a folder called backup in the same directory as Clone app program. I recommend to keep the default path. That way, program backups and the Clone app program are in the same place and easy to transfer to an external drive or network drive. To backup program settings, folder and registry entries, first you must select the program you want to backup or programs you want to backup. All the supported programs are listed on the left. To see a list of programs installed on your PC that can be backed up, click Select Install tab. Check the box next to the programs you want to backup. To backup all your installed programs that Clone app supports, click the Select Install tab link from the left. To backup the selected program, click Backup tab and click Yes button. As you can see, Notepad++ settings have been backed up. To restore Notepad++ settings, you will need the same user account name. To restore the backup program setting, make sure your computer have the same user account profile name. Run the Clone app in administrator mode on the new computer and click Restore in the left corner of the Clone app window and click Yes button. When the restoration process is complete, a message displayed at the end of the log and at the bottom of the Clone app window. Restore process completed. That is it. If you have any question, please leave the comment at the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.